Good morning, fellas. What's up? It's your boy LD Tuned. Alright, so basically yesterday, it's fucking cold in Brooklyn. Yesterday I parked the car, and after I tried to start it, the car would not start. So basically, ignition would turn on, and it would stay like this, right? So if I would push the start button, it would not start. So then I was thinking, because I had the key light on, over here right now it's off, I don't know how, but I had the key light on. So I remove all this shit, right? Because a lot of people are saying there's a lock module on the bottom that usually goes bad, which they do. My check engine is still flashing, not sure why, but I'm gonna check that with the code reader. So I would push the start button and the car would not start. So today morning I came out, and I was reading on the forums, what can it be? And a lot of people are saying the ECU got burned, and actually I smelled something burning yesterday, and I didn't know what it was. So long story short, today I came back. Now as you see, look, again, we're back, turn the ignition on, and the car starts. TPS sensor, I always had that because I'm running a Q50 rims. But anyways, what was the issue? So today morning I took this apart. The problem is the water always gets inside here. You guys don't mind this. This is like my air fresheners. So this box, IPEM or something like that, it's called, I already don't remember. Anyways, this box right here, I took this out, and which one was it? Okay, 10A, automatic transmission. I think that's what it is. This fuse was burnt, and it would not allow the car to start. They started giving me all kind of codes, everything, and this car would not start. I pulled this out today, and I just replaced this fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. We replaced that because I checked everything else, and every other fuse was fine. I checked on the bottom, everything, inside under the steering wheel, everything was also fine. So it turned out to be this fuse. After changing the fuse, that's it. The car started right up, and that's about it. So I mean, guys, if anybody ever has an issue, not sure if that's going to be your problem, but it's something to start off. Like I said, it happened out of nowhere. I start the car, I came home, I parked it, and when I tried to start the car again, the car would not start. So that's the only thing you could do is just check, because the water gets down there. I'll explain to you why. You see the stains on top? You see stains? It's every Infiniti problem that if you have a black interior, you wouldn't notice. But the drain lines, they get clogged. So what happens is all the water goes down to the main box, and it shortens something out. So this happened because a few days it's been raining. I'm in New York myself, in Brooklyn. So it's been raining, and that's what I'm assuming. The rain got in there, and I guess shorted something out, and then that was it. After replacing that fuse, the car is fine. And we'll see how long it's going to be. If it shortens out again, that means we have something, a major problem. We have a different problem. But for now, I guess that's what it is. All right, fellas, again, it's your boy LD Tuned. If you guys, ever have an issue with it or something, you just write in a comment, and maybe I could help out in some way, and just whatever. Peace.